guys, you know what my homeboy here likes? He likes him a little drag van. That's what he likes. He likes to ride in the van. He talks about it all the time, honestly. I mean, after the bicycle accident that he had, some of you guys may remember that. He had a little accident trying to learn how to ride his bike. He really wants to ride in the van at some point in his young life. So we're gonna have to try and make that happen. But let's see if it's going to be this year or not. That's probably the big question. So on to the DragVan, and what's the updates and where are we going with it?
Whether it's on the street handling your business, or if you're at the track taking care of some of the local street cars, maybe you gotta go to the junkyard to pick up some bitchin' parts for your next project, or just cruise the local neighborhood to see what the kids are up to at the playground. You're always gonna be the coolest guy as long as you're rocking a DragVan.
The DragVan. Not always known by the DragVan name. It has also been known by other names. And yes, I actually had some kids at the track ask me if I had candy in it. But we've had a lot of fun in this thing and hauled a lot of parts back and forth from the junkyard, and just in general, it's just been a really great machine, and I've always had a lot of fun driving it and riding in it. So, you know, we've done our share of burnouts, obviously, and did like our first little Christmas thing with it. It was, you know, a lot of fun, just hooning around in it. It didn't have much, not a lot done to it. We started out with, you know, Explorer intake, HO cam, E7s, 410 gears, shorty headers. We ended up going to long tubes and some other stuff. Then we killed the transmission, and that really kind of stunk. Me and Jack had to get involved in it. We burned it up, and we took our good AOD and stuffed it in, but we also made a couple other little changes with it where we had to decide what converter to put in. We took our old Roadrunner converter out and put in a B&M converter that we had. We even had to call in Kevin for reinforcements. Not really, but he wanted to come over and help. Everyone likes the van. We put our Mustang floor shifter in it to make it feel a little bit more racy. And when we first initially took it out, we had the freaking plug wires backwards, but we got it all figured out. And it was, you know, I hate to say it was fun, but it was kind of fun. And we took it to track. The best this thing's ever ran is an 894, and I'll throw the time slip up here in just a split second after I get done killing this Mustang. I'm gonna put that time slip in here. Come on, go get him. Go get him. And it never ran great at Holt, honestly. There's a time slip right there. As far as the combo in the van, it's got an Explorer intake, lightly ported upper. It's got a very small comp. I think it's a 258 or 264 cam. I got it from David. It's got GT40P heads, unported, of course. It's got AOD long tubes on it. It's got a race crank pulley. It's got the AOD with the B&M converter. It's got 456s. And it's got, I've run it with bullets at times, but I've also ran it with the Flowmasters. Definitely faster with the bullets. I've also, you know, raced some people, like right here. I mean, I raced Pirate. I ended up, look at how strong I am. This thing is actually kind of fun to race and push around in the lanes. That cracks me up. But we didn't have a lot of success technically against people like Pirate. It was always more about running guys with like Challenger RTs with radials and stuff like that, and just going up on $10 Tuesday when they didn't prep the track, things like that. Yeah, we like getting smashed. Does get burnouts though. Man, we need a T5 in this thing so bad. This thing would be a lot of fun with a stick. I mean, it'd probably break transmissions and burn through clutches like crazy, but it'd probably be kind of fun. I wouldn't want to be leaving on no two-step with it, I know that much. ultimately, though, we wanted to get away from the bank fire and go to true SEFI. So David volunteered, and bless his heart, he worked his tail off on it. But this thing was giving us some real problems with the way it ran. Not before he converted it, and after we got it all done, I took it for a drive, and it was still acting up, and I got super, super upset. Not like the Grinch. I was very, very, very frustrated. So I ended up parking the damn thing. It sat outside for a while, then we moved it inside.
Hot damn. Here's tripod. I mean, the DragVan. Here's the good news, guys. It's sitting out. It's not in the weather. It's sitting in a warehouse. Look, it's got spider webs on it. I keep it locked. I can't just have anybody coming up in here, getting up in my DragVan business. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Look at this. You can't hardly see. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the... We'll be right back. Hey, here we are. We got a little light on it now. Yeah. Oh, boy. Yeah, I'd taken that panel out because I took the dash out of the tack. I took the tack. It is in special ed. Here we go. This is it. The damn van. So, still all here. Having a little headliner issue. But, like I say, we just get rid of that. Let me see that. Oh, that's got, we don't need all that. We don't need that where we're going. We don't need no headliner. So, it's all here, though. Hanging tough. So, we got a doghouse on it. One day, we're going to get rid of this nonsense. This is the lever of disappointment. This is the no fun lever. Damn. So anyway, here it is in all its glory. Just don't know if it's going to be fuel injected glory forever. We don't know. We'll figure it out at some point. But we're going to try and work on it some this year, I think. All right, cool. Here it is. Here's the van. Let me get out here. But yeah, it's still, like I say, still hanging tough, man. You know, doing DragVan things. I miss this big white beast, honestly. It's like anything else. I don't miss it till I sit in it. Then I'm like, damn, man, I miss this thing. I like the old van. So, all right, cool. Well, let's go ahead and wrap this up. We've, you know, another short and sweet one, I guess, but we have planned on trying to get this thing back up to snuff or up to something. So, but it did move in here under its own power. I did drive it in here. Just, man, I got so mad. So frustrated with this thing. But, all right, cool. Let's go ahead and get back and close this vid up.
All right, here we go. We're doing some of that movie magic, you know, sliding it on in here, doing a little bit here and there. Yeah, we have every intention of doing something with the van. I mean, obviously getting a fourth wheel on it, that would be a good start. But doing something, getting it running, I mean, David put a lot of time into that, and I was super frustrated with that thing. But I like the van. I actually thought about getting rid of it one time. In my darkest moment, I was like, you know, but it does have great utility value. So, and again, once it's running, I'll love it. You know, again, I loved it when it was running. I just super frustrated with it. So anyway, all right, well, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for supporting the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time on the Substandard Leader in YouTube 5-liter van videos. And Fox Body videos, right? That's our bread and butter. That's what makes the money. Daddy loves his cheddar. We'll see you guys in the next vid. And there will be, obviously, some more. All right, cool.